Hey guys, welcome back to another new video. So as you saw by the title, I'm going to show you how to create animated lower thirds in Premiere Pro. Of course, we are not using Adobe After Effects, we are only using Premiere Pro to do this. It's basically creating a title and doing stuff with keyframes. So actually it is easy than you think. So without any further delay, let's get to the video. So go to Premiere Pro and export your clip into the timeline, and what we are going to do now is we are going to create a title, a simply basic title. So go to title, new title, and select default still. Then as you know, we are going to create a lower third. So lower thirds basically comes with a shape. So what we are going to do first is create a normal rectangle like this. You can create a shape, any shape that you want. Basically rectangles are being used widely for a lower third, so you can make the positioning by the arrow, select tool. So I'm happy with this location here, and you can give it a color you want. I'm going to give it like a blue color for this. Yeah, that's good. So then you can do to add text is go to this option where it is say type tool. So when you select that tool, you can add text. So I'm going to type in Ireland, as this drone video is from Ireland. Let's type in Ireland and choose any font you need. And let's make this capital I. And you can also change the color of the font as you wish. So I'm going to leave it on white, and you can do some sizing on the font to match with the rectangle. So once you are done with the text, you can select the rectangle and size it up to get in the font or the text you just typed in. And once you are completed, you can close this up. It will import the text to your project, and you can drag this to the place where you need it to be. So now when we put this live, so when you play, it will show like this. It's normally revealing itself, so that's somewhat boring for a video. So also what you can do is you can add a simple effect like a transition effect, like a dissolve or anything like that. It's in the effects panel. You can go to the effects under video transition. You can find many transitions, so like cross dissolve and another additive dissolve for the end. So then it will show like this, but that's not the thing we are going to do today. We are going to animate this title. So in order to animate this title, let's first delete these two transitions. You have to select the title, and let's go to the effects panel. Now this is the title being selected, and you have to get to the first frame of the title. So now what we are going to do is we are going to keyframe the positioning. So let's click on the toggle animation, and we are going to get the title outside of the clip by the position. So this is the y-axis position you can see. So I'm taking the title out from the video, and let's go to like 1 or 2 seconds into the video, and you can then get it to the exact place you want it to be when you reveal it. So that's how you do with the keyframing of the position. As you saw now, you can see these are the two keyframes that we just created. Now we can get with the speed of the revealing. So you have to click this drop down arrow of under the position, and you have to click the first keyframe, and you can smooth it out by the points here. So what we are doing here is we are smoothing out the velocity, so it will come just not robotic, like it will come smoothly. So to end the animation, toggle animation, what we are going to do is we are going to copy the second keyframe and add it to a place like here, and we are going to copy the first keyframe and we are going to paste it to the end of the clip. So that's been done. We can again smooth out the keyframes by doing like this. Now let's just see how we did that. So you can see that it was keyframed by the positioning. So this is a pretty good animated lower third, I can say. You can see that it's coming from the velocity that we created, gradually increasing. You can see that, and when it goes back to the outside of the video, it does the same thing. So that's pretty much how you can create a animated lower third. That's pretty simple, as you saw. And another thing I can say is what we did here, we were doing the animation from the positioning from the title on the Y axis. So in the same way you can do this animation from the X axis. So the same thing, I'm going to show it to you straight away. So again we are going to the starting of the clip, and we have to select the toggle animation, and now we are going to do with the X-axis. So you can get it outside from the clip and go into the place where you need it to be, and taking it again into the clip. So now also you can mess up with the keyframes, and then we are doing the same thing that we did earlier. Okay, that's good. So the velocity is smooth now. Let's play the clip. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you learned how to create animated lower third from Premiere Pro. So, and guys, something I want to tell you, you can create a PNG from Photoshop and export it to Premiere Pro and make it the animation inside Premiere Pro by doing the same thing. Let me show you that real quickly. So I'm going to import let's import a PNG. Okay, so this is a PNG created by Photoshop. It's on the PNG format where the background is transparent, so you can create something like that and put it into your timeline, and you can do the same thing that we did to animate the lower third. So yeah, let's do it real quick. Okay, that's done now. So let's play it again from the beginning, and you can see the lower thirds coming in. guys, so you saw how to create and animate a lower third like that. So make sure to get up with your creativity and do something new with the keyframe so you can make it to the taste you want it to be. So guys, thank you for joining with me, and I hope you learned something on the lower third, and make sure to subscribe and leave a like if you really enjoyed, and if this video was helpful to you. I'm saying goodbye from here. Peace.